I'm Alex. This is Code Along with Alex, and let's generate random numbers with a given distribution in Rust. So to start, we'll create a new project with cargo. Call it generate random numbers with given distribution. And then let's change into that directory. Oops. Awesome. And then we'll open that subdirectory and the main.rs and the cargo.toml first, actually. So today we're going to use the rand crate again, but we're also going to use the rand underscore distr crate for random distributions or uniform distributions. And so to start, we'll declare rand equals 0.8.5, and then rand distr equals 0.8.5. And that's all we need in our cargo.toml. Save it. Now let's go back to main.rs and let's update our code. So let's write a couple use statements, rand distr, and then we specifically want distribution, normal, and normal error. Next, let's do use rand thread RNG. Okay, cool. Now we can update our main function body. I'm going to add a couple of new lines above the print statement. So to start, we'll bind a variable called RNG, which is just our thread RNG. Mute. Awesome. Then we'll bind another variable called normal, which will be pulling in from the rand distr normal method. So let normal equals normal new 2.0 3.0. Awesome. So by default, random numbers in the rand crate have uniform distributions, but the rand distr crate provides other kinds of distributions. And so we're going to sample from a distribution and also use our random number generator. And so you can see we are declaring a normal distribution between 2 and 3. Now let's sample that distribution. Normal.sample, and then we'll do a mutable reference to RNG. Awesome. And then let's actually reuse this println macro. Replace the text with the curly brackets for string interpolation, and it is from AN29 distribution. And then we'll put V inside the curly brackets. We don't need another semicolon. And then to finish it off, we need OK as such. So we can save that. Cargo run. And you can see now that we're installing some crates from crates.io. Take a little time, but getting there. Field to select a version for the requirement. Rand distr. Did I spell something wrong? What version are they on? 0.4.3. Oh, I might have found a typo in the docs. Okay. Interesting. Okay. Nice. Let me update the cargo.toml to the real value. The current rand distr version is 0.4.3. Now let's rerun the cargo run so that it can try to download a valid version of rand distr. Yeah, things are looking a little better now. Much better. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can do a pull request for the docs. Cool. And you can see we got an error, which happens. Expected. Did I mess something up? Oh, I did. I totally skipped the return type. So, the return type, result, empty tuple, and then normal error. Okay, this should be much better now. Apologies. It happens. Now let's run that again. Wonderful. So we see our value, and it's from the distribution. We can run that again, see if we get a different value, which I expect we will. And we did. Very cool. That was our whirlwind tour of Rand and Rand distr. Might have found a typo in the Rust Lang Nursery Rust Cookbook docs about the versions, but that was fun. Hope you learned a little bit. I definitely did. Once again, I'm Alex. This is Code Along with Alex, and I hope to see you next time.